How to love a text message on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messages application on your device and select on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on that, just select Messages settings over here at the bottom. As you do that, you can see the option of RCS chats at the very first option. So tap on it and make sure to toggle on this RCS chats over here. So as you toggle on this option, go back and then tap on any of the chat where you want to share the emoji or love a text message. So I'm going to go and select one of the message over here. Let's do this and make a long press on the chat over here, and as you do that, you can see the emojis over here. You just have to select on any of the emojis. So since we want to send the love emoji, we're going to tap on the love emoji and you can just react to the message. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.